I'm back on my sauerkraut kick, so once you start fermenting, it's a whole lifestyle. For this batch, I'm using these fermentation glass weights for wide mouth mason jars, and they're one of those small thing, big difference tools. They're solid, food-safe glass, lead-free, and non-porous. So they don't hold on to odors, flavors, or colors, because nobody wants yesterday's garlic vibes sneaking into today's kraut, right? And the job of these is simple but important. They keep your cabbage fully submerged under the brine, which helps reduce spoilage and keeps your ferment nice and happy. My favorite part is the easy grip handle on top. It's the little bulge design that makes them so much easier to lift out. No digging around with tongs, no slippery fingers, no drama. They fit perfectly in wide mouth mason jars, which is exactly what I use them for in small batches in my cozy kitchen. If you're fermenting at home or pickling, these are a must-have for that clean, simple, set it and let it do its thing process. As an Amazon influencer, I share products I genuinely use and recommend. I may earn a small commission. It never costs you more. Thank you so much for supporting my work.